Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. It's Friday, the 24th of September. We have years 3, 4, 5 and 6 celebrate all those amazing children who have earned themselves their Golden Ticket this week. Not only have they been working hard this week, though you'll see from some of the teachers' comments, they've been working hard throughout the last 3 weeks, so really well deserved to all of you guys. Let's kick off this morning in year 3. And in year 3 we have Mr. Pinner says, this Golden Ticket winner has completed some fantastic work this week, always trying their absolute best, reading 5 times a week and bouncing into school on time every single day with a huge smile on his face. Goes none other than Rion. Here he is. Look, well done, Rion. Super hard working, buddy. Hugely well deserved. I know your sister's going to be really proud. But everyone in class will be giving you a massive cheer right now because I know how popular you are, buddy. So really well done and really well deserved. You superstar. Keep it up. Moving on. Here we go. Look, Mrs. George says, this child has a fantastic attitude every day. She works so hard during lessons and always finishes at least 2 pages of work. She sets a brilliant example to others and is a really caring partner, helpful and helping her friends to learn. Golden Ticket goes to Esme. There she is. Well done, Esme. You absolute superstar. Really well done. Really well deserved. Look, big smile on your face. Working so hard. And I've seen her as well throughout this week for her maths, which has been phenomenal. So really well done. Well done. Everyone's going to give you a massive cheer as well. You superstar. Really well done and keep up the amazing work. Moving on to year 4. Here we go. In year 4, look, Miss Barrett says, this child has impressed me every day since they started in year 4. They listen carefully, follow instructions and try their best with every task since they started. So that's all 3 weeks. It's amazing. They're also a really helpful child who's kind to those around them and they are a thoughtful and patient partner. They set an excellent example for all children and they're a delight to have in the classroom and they're a delight to have in school, to be fair. Really well done to Lexi. Well done, Lexi. Look, you absolute superstar. Look at her, loving the Roman outfit, hey? Got to grow into that one, so really well done. So proud of you. Thank you for being so brilliant, so helpful, because it just helps, makes Mr. Allen's job so much easier and it just helps me. So really well done and well deserved, you superstar. Moving on, Miss White says, this person is a ray of sunshine in the classroom. They always come in with a smile and get straight down to work. They're super helpful and set a great example to others. While we've been really impressed with their work at school, we are extra impressed with their effort at home too. They are regular players on Spelling Shed and Times Table Rockstar and they read every single day. Absolutely brilliant. What a star. Golden Ticket goes to Mia. There she is. Well done, Mia. Huge congratulations. Really well deserved. Big smile. Well done. Mummy's going to be really proud of you. So well done, you superstar. I am. Keep it up. Keep up that amazing work. Keep being amazing, you super. Everyone will absolutely be cheering you right now. Well done. Moving on, let's have a look at year 5. We've got Miss Arthurton says, look, our Golden Ticket goes to someone that comes into class every day with a smile on their face and ready to face the challenges of the day ahead. Brilliant. They do everything that is expected of them and continue to develop their learning at home. This child does not always find things easy, but always put 100% into everything they do. They persevere, never give up, which is fantastic. Even when you find things tricky, it is a brilliant attitude to have. With their commitment to their learning and this positive attitude, I'm sure this is the first of many Golden Tickets. The first of many Golden Tickets for Abby. There she is. Well done, Abby. You absolute superstar. I am so proud of you, hun. Really well deserved. And I know you'll be winning many more of these, even this year. So really well done. Keep up that. Keep working as hard as you possibly can. You absolutely, everyone will give you a massive cheer right now in class. So well done. Moving on. Miss Musselwhite says, my Golden Ticket this week goes to someone whose smile lights up the room every morning when they come into school and lights up wherever she is, to be fair, because she has the most beautiful smile. So they always work incredibly hard and they always go that extra mile to make sure they succeed, even if they don't find a task easy. Again, bit of resilience there, really well done. Not only do they work studiously at school, but they continue this at home, reading, battling on Times Table Rockstar and completing quizzes on Spelling Shed. And I know that she is reading every single day. It's superb. They're also polite, kind, and a pleasure to have around. An absolute pleasure to have in school. Golden Ticket goes to Olivia. There she is. Look at that. Look at that smile. Okay? It just makes you smile. Huge congratulations, Olivia. I'm so proud of you, hun. Really well done. Everyone's going to be giving you a massive cheer. And I know that massive smile is going to be on your face right now. So well done. Superstar. Moving on, let's have a look in year 6. Come on. Miss Percy says Golden Ticket 6JP this week is awarded to someone with impeccable manners. Amazing. And they don't cost anything. It's amazing. They're continuously striving to do their best and never settle for anything less. They work excellently both independently with their peers and will go over and above to produce work to a high standard. They're resilient when faced with a challenge and never ever give up. We've heard a lot of that from these Key Stage 2 children. Resilience, it's absolutely brilliant, never giving up. They are through and through what a Year 6 child at Marcos Primary School should be, and a really proud Mr. Allen as well. Of Milana, there she is. Milana, thank you so much for being so amazing. Please do keep it up. Huge congratulations. Everyone's going to give you a massive cheer now. Well done. I am so proud of you, you superstar. Enjoy taking this home today. Thank you and keep it up. Finally, we have, look, Mr. Davison says the golden ticket winner in 6RD has been a joy to teach ever since they began Year 6. So throughout these 3 weeks, they have a great sense of humour, are kind and friendly to everyone, and always make positive choices. A role model for those around them. In lessons, their active listening skills are hugely impressed the Year 6 team and allow this child to excel, while they also have feverishly completed tasks on Spelling Shed, ensuring they're maximising their potential. Wowee. A brilliant start from a child who will undoubtedly receive many more of these. She certainly will. Golden ticket goes to Deanna. There she is. Look, well done, Deanna. So proud of you. Even working really hard in my games lesson on Wednesday. She wasn't feeling great, but she put it in. She didn't give up. Really proud of her. So well done. Well deserved. Massive cheer. Come on, everyone. Give her a cheer. Brilliant. So really well done. Enjoyed taking this home at the end of the day. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Finally, well done, everyone. Well done to all of you who've won the golden ticket. If it wasn't you this week, again, copy all these children. You listen to hear what the teachers are all saying about these children. Just copy them. They are role models. You start copying them, who knows? It could be you next week winning the golden ticket. And finally, let's have a lovely weekend. Look, let's have a look. Look, let's go fly a kite. It's going to be a little bit windy, so let's get out there. Let's fly a kite. Come on, try and get out there, because there's nothing more fun than flying a kite. So let's get out there and fly a kite. Tell some jokes. Let's make each other laugh, because it feels like a right time to be telling some jokes and making each other laugh. And I would love to hear some of those on Monday when you come back in. So come on. And I know lots of you got some really good jokes, so come on. And finally, come on, let's hug our parents. Give them a big hug and tell them how much you love them. Each day, when you get home at school today, give them a massive hug and tell them how much you love them. And have a great weekend, everyone. Please continue to stay safe. Until Monday, we'll see you all then. Bye-bye now. From your public...